it's Anna from Atlas. Let me show you how to embed a map from Atlas mind-blowingly fast and easy. So let's start by opening a project. I created this apartments in Denmark project during Atlas 101 course. So go and have a look in the styling lessons and the builder lessons if you want to know how to make this map. So basically, when you embed a map, you are embedding the user interface, which you create in the builder mode. But if you haven't created anything in the builder, it's just a regular map you are creating. For example, this part you can see now is created on the data side. But if you want to embed a map with the user interface, you make it in builder. So let's hop in there. I have created a user interface with this feature list and these filters and title. Basically, yeah, it's an interactive map that can be used on a website, for example. So how to embed this? You go to the upper right corner to the sharing button and you make it from private to public, and then you choose embed, and then you can either copy the code or copy embed link. I'll show you both. So to copy the code, you go into our website or wherever you want to embed the code. I'm going to show you in an HTML viewer. So let's just copy paste the code here. And there we go. We can see it here. It's very small now, so it doesn't show in the real measures that it has. But basically, it works just the same way as it works otherwise. Like this. Then I can show you how to use the embed link. So let's go and copy embed link. Then I can show you on Notion how to bring it there. So let's copy paste it here again. And then we choose embed. And there we go. Then we get our map. Let's make it as big as we can. And here we see it. We can zoom into our real area. And like you can only see the places based on the viewport. So if we zoom in somewhere closer, you can only see the places in the feature list that are in the new zoomed in area. And this is how you embed a map from Atlas mind-blowingly fast and easy.